All right, so listen to him snore. Okay, he's sound asleep. I want to again stress this: the deer, just like if you were going into surgery, the deer is not feeling a thing. He's sedated.
All right, we're gonna cut him right here. Let the two sides even out. If you got a weak stomach, I would definitely turn this off for a few minutes. Ready? So right now we're putting a little bit of blood stop powder on it. We're gonna see if we get the blood to clot up and stop bleeding.